If a sun-soaked Cypriot getaway with a side of water slides sounds like the right kind of holiday, the Leonardo Laura Beach and Splash Resort might just be the place worth a closer look. Sitting right on the seafront in Cloraca, just a short drive from the heart of Paphos, this four-star resort is part of the Leonardo Hotels family, which itself falls under the larger Fatal Hotels group. It markets itself as a family-friendly all-inclusive escape, leaning hard into the splash park angle that gives it the second half of its name. With more than 2,500 reviews on Booking and nearly 5,000 on TripAdvisor, it has built up a serious reputation, although as with any busy resort, the picture is not always perfectly consistent. So let us dig into what guests can actually expect when they roll up to the front desk. Rooms at the Leonardo Laura Beach and Splash Resort cover a fairly broad spread, designed to suit couples on a quiet break, families piling in with kids and grandparents, and everyone in between. The property offers standard double rooms, family rooms, and a range of suites, with options that face the gardens, look out over the pool, or stare straight out at the glittering Mediterranean. Sea view rooms tend to be the most popular pick, and it is easy to understand why when guests open the curtains in the morning to a horizon of blue water. Most rooms come with the expected modern comforts, including air conditioning, a television, a minibar or fridge, a kettle for tea and coffee, a safe for valuables, and a private balcony or terrace. The bathrooms generally include a shower or bathtub combination, complimentary toiletries, and a hairdryer, which is always a small touch travelers appreciate. For families, interconnecting rooms and dedicated family layouts give parents a bit of breathing room without losing sight of the kids. Some of the higher-tier suites include separate living areas and extra sleeping space, which makes a real difference when you are trying to coexist with 2 children and a suitcase explosion. Accessibility-minded rooms are part of the mix as well, catering to guests with mobility needs, although travelers with specific requirements should always confirm details directly before booking. Now, in terms of condition, there is some honest disagreement among guests. Many describe the rooms as lovely, clean, and tastefully decorated, with sheets and towels changed regularly. Others have called them tired, in need of refurbishment, or simply not matching the price tag. The truth likely lies in the middle, and room allocation can play a big role in the experience. When it comes to feeding hungry holidaymakers, the resort takes the all-inclusive concept seriously and spreads the eating options across several distinct venues. The main dining hall, often referred to as the Blue Horizon Restaurant, handles breakfast, lunch, and dinner in a generous buffet style with international dishes, salads, grilled meats, and plenty of desserts to keep the sweet tooths happy. For something more specific, guests can book into themed restaurants like Little Italy for pasta and pizza, Zaatar for Lebanese flavors, Mare for a seafood-leaning experience, and the Moreio Greek Tavern for local Cypriot and Greek classics. There is also the Great Burger House for those days when nothing but a proper burger and fries will do, especially after a long morning at the slides. Reviews of the food do swing in both directions, which is worth being upfront about. Plenty of guests describe the buffet as varied, fresh, and consistently enjoyable, with special praise often landing on the breakfast spread and the themed evenings. Others have been less impressed with the main buffet, suggesting it can feel repetitive over a longer stay, while singling out the smaller themed venues as the real highlights. Zaatar in particular gets repeated mentions as the standout dinner experience for those willing to plan ahead and book a slot. On the drinks side, the resort offers multiple bars scattered around the property, including poolside bars, a swim-up option, and a beach bar that lets guests sip something cold without ever leaving the loungers. Evening entertainment areas pair nicely with a relaxed cocktail, making the bar scene feel social without ever turning rowdy. The pools and beach setup are clearly where this resort tries to dazzle, and for the most part it succeeds. There are multiple outdoor swimming pools spread across the grounds, including main leisure pools, quieter relaxation pools, and shallower areas that suit younger swimmers. The headline act, of course, is the Splash Water Park, complete with a collection of slides that operate seasonally from the 1st of April through the end of October. Kids tend to lose their minds in the best possible way, while parents either join in the chaos or stake a claim on a nearby lounger and accept their fate as towel guardian. There are plenty of suns and umbrellas around the pool decks, although on the busiest summer days an early wake-up call helps secure the prime spots near the water. Beach access is a slightly more nuanced topic. The resort sits directly on the seafront, but this stretch of Cloaca coast is not the powdery golden sand that some travelers picture when they hear the word Mediterranean. It is a mix of rockier sections and engineered swimming coves, including a gentler shallow area and a more adventurous deeper one, which actually earn praise from many guests as a fun and unusual feature. Travelers craving a long, classic sandy beach often take a short trip up to Coral Bay, which is just a few kilometers away and offers exactly that vibe. Back at the resort, beach loungers and a relaxed seaside bar keep things comfortable, and the sea views during sunset are genuinely lovely. So while the beach is not the resort's strongest single feature, it works well alongside everything else. When guests want to do more than float on a pool noodle, the activities on offer step up nicely. There is a fitness center for those who refuse to let a holiday derail their gym streak, with the usual cardio and weights equipment. Sports facilities and organized activities are sprinkled through the daily program, ranging from water aerobics in the pool to beach games, group fitness sessions, and friendly tournaments. Evening entertainment is a big part of the resort identity, with an amphitheater hosting shows, live music, themed nights, and family-friendly performances. There is also a nightclub-style venue and even a cinema room for nights when guests want to wind down indoors with something on the big screen. Cultural and educational extras tend to come from the location rather than the resort itself, since Paphos is one of the most history-rich corners of Cyprus. Many travelers use the resort as a base for day trips to ancient sites and museums, then return for a swim and a relaxed dinner. On-site, the daily activity team puts effort into making sure there is always something gentle bubbling along for guests who do not want to leave the property. Whether that is a poolside quiz, a dance lesson, or a low-key craft session, the goal is clearly to make the day feel full without ever feeling forced. Guests who prefer pure rest can easily ignore the lot and just enjoy the sunshine. For travelers who treat a holiday as a serious recharge, the spa and wellness facilities offer a welcome retreat from the splashing and the buffet trays. The resort has a spa area along with a sauna, giving guests the chance to book massages, body treatments, and facials in a calm environment away from the busier pool zones. Treatment menus at resorts in this category typically include classic Swedish and deep tissue massages, aromatherapy options, exfoliating scrubs, and a range of facials suited to skin tired from sun, salt, and chlorine. Sauna offers that satisfying deep heat that pairs perfectly with a long shower and a quiet hour on a lounger afterward. While the resort does not market itself as a hardcore wellness retreat with detox programs or intensive yoga schedules, the combination of spa, gym, pools, sea air, and evening entertainment covers the basics of a balanced break. Guests who enjoy a morning stretch can usually find space along the seafront or in one of the quieter garden corners. Pairing a spa treatment with a slow afternoon by the pool tends to be the sweet spot for grown-ups looking to truly unwind. It is the kind of wellness offering that feels accessible rather than intimidating, which suits the broad mix of guests the resort attracts. Booking treatments early in the stay is a smart move since slots can fill up quickly during peak weeks. Since this is very much a family resort rather than an adults-only escape, the kids' clubs and children's activities are a major part of the operation. The resort has dedicated kids' entertainment programs that aim to keep younger guests busy with games, crafts, mini-discos, themed parties, and supervised fun while parents get a moment to breathe. The water park naturally is the gravitational center of the children's experience, with the slides and splash zones giving kids a built-in reason to ask for just one more day at the hotel. There are shallower pool areas for the youngest swimmers and plenty of safe spaces around the property to roam without parents losing their nerves. Many guests in their reviews specifically praise the kids' entertainment team and the wider staff for how they treat young visitors, which is honestly one of the most important things a family resort can get right. From friendly greetings at breakfast to enthusiastic energy at the evening shows, that kind of consistent warmth tends to leave a lasting impression on small travelers and their grateful parents. Teenagers are less likely to be glued to the kids' club, but the slides, the bigger pools, the beach coves, and the evening entertainment usually give them enough to keep boredom at bay. Combined with on-site shopping and a mini-market for snacks and forgotten essentials, the resort makes family logistics refreshingly straightforward. Stepping outside the gates, the location puts guests within easy reach of some of the best that the Paphos area has to offer. The famous Tombs of the Kings archaeological site sits only about 4 kilometers away, making it a simple half-day trip for anyone curious about ancient Cypriot history. The Kato Paphos harbor area with its waterfront restaurants, castle, and lively promenade is roughly 4.5 kilometers down the road, perfect for a sunset stroll and a long dinner away from the resort. The Lemba and Cloraca seafront is essentially on the doorstep, ideal for a relaxed walk straight from the lobby. For more dedicated beach time, Coral Bay Beach is about 6 kilometers up the coast and offers that classic stretch of sand and shallow swimming water that many travelers dream about. Thrill seekers who somehow cannot get enough of slides at the on-site splash park can head to the larger Paphos Aphrodite Water Park, around 8 kilometers away. Paphos International Airport sits about 15 kilometers from the resort, which keeps transfer times short on both ends of the holiday. Add in nearby tavernas, supermarkets, and easy access to organized excursions across Cyprus, and the location starts to feel like one of the resort's quietly strong selling points. Pulling all of this together into an overall view, the Leonardo Laura Beach and Splash Resort is clearly a strong choice for families and groups who want a busy, feature-packed, all-inclusive break in a beautiful corner of Cyprus. With a booking score in the mid-8s from thousands of reviews, a solid 4 out of 5 on TripAdvisor, and an even higher score on Expedia, the overall sentiment is genuinely positive. Guests consistently praise the staff, the variety of facilities, the entertainment, and the sheer amount of stuff to do without leaving the property. The water park, multiple pools, themed restaurants, and evening shows give the resort a real sense of energy and value. On the weaker side, the resort is not flawless. Some guests have complained about tired rooms, inconsistent housekeeping, and a main buffet that can feel repetitive on longer stays. Pricing in peak season also draws the occasional grumble, especially from travelers who feel the resort sits at the upper edge of what its condition justifies. The beach itself is more functional than picture-perfect, so travelers expecting endless soft sand directly outside the lobby may need to adjust expectations or take short trips up the coast. Still, for most guests, the strengths comfortably outweigh the weaknesses. What really makes this resort stand out is the combination of seafront location, on-site water park, and broad dining lineup under one all-inclusive package. Not many 4-star properties in the area pair real slides with multiple themed restaurants, a spa, a gym, a cinema room, an amphitheater, and engineered swimming coves built into the coastline. That mix gives families and mixed-age groups a genuinely rare amount of variety without needing to leave the grounds. The Leonardo brand backing adds a layer of consistency, with recognizable standards in service and operations. For travelers thinking beyond pure leisure, the resort also has the facilities to host events and small conferences, with function spaces that can be adapted for group needs. While this is not primarily a business hotel, the combination of meeting space, accommodation capacity, dining variety, and an attractive seaside setting makes it a reasonable option for company retreats, milestone celebrations, or destination events. Pairing a daytime meeting with an evening at the amphitheater or a group dinner at one of the themed restaurants can turn a routine work trip into something far more memorable. In terms of guest experience highlights, the moments that come up again and again in reviews tend to involve the staff. From the water park attendants to the kids' entertainment team, the reception crew, the housekeepers, and the restaurant servers, warm and attentive service is the single most repeated theme in positive feedback. Guests describe small acts of kindness toward children, friendly chats by the pool, and quick problem-solving when something needs fixing. For many families, those personal touches turn a perfectly good holiday into one they actively want to repeat, and they explain why the Leonardo Laura Beach and Splash Resort continues to draw such a loyal crowd year after year. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up, subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.